In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a post on LinkedIn. So here we are on the LinkedIn homepage or newsfeed. And let's say, for example, I wanted to share this post with my network. Just scroll down until you see these menu items here. Click on repost and you're going to have two options. Repost with your thoughts or repost instantly as is. My recommendation is to repost with your thoughts so that you can tell your network why you're sharing this post and why you value the information in there and maybe give the writer credit. So let's go to repost with thoughts. You'll see the post in there and you can then type in whatever it is that you want to type in. And you can also decide you want to share it with your connections only, with anyone, or with a group that you are a member of on LinkedIn. And then go ahead and post it with your comments. I trust you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in this playlist for other functionality on LinkedIn.